The theory of evolution is often taught as fact, but is it a legitimate explanation for the complexity of life? Many scientists, scholars, and thinkers say no. In this video, we'll explore 10 powerful reasons why evolution doesn't hold up under scrutiny. Evolution assumes life already exists. But how did life begin from non-living matter? No experiment has ever created life from scratch. Before evolution could theoretically begin, life has to start. Without a starting point, evolution has no engine. Science demonstrates life never comes from non-life. Darwin expected countless in-between or transitional fossils, missing links between major species, but after over 150 years, not one has been found. Fossils show fully formed species appearing suddenly, not gradually evolving. There is no evidence to support in-betweens of two kinds of life. If evolution happened gradually over millions of years, we should see a clear trail. We don't. Some biological systems are just too complex to evolve piece by piece. Take the bacterial flagellum. It's like a microscopic motor with dozens of precise parts. If just one part is missing, it doesn't work. How could such a system evolve gradually without collapsing? Many biological systems require all parts to work together. Such complexity cannot evolve step by step. It must appear fully formed. The theory of evolution relies on mutations to create new features. However, mutations don't build, they break. Most mutations are harmful or neutral. They shuffle or damage existing genetic information. We've never observed a mutation adding new complex structures or traits which would be essential for large-scale evolution. Also, breeding is restrictive. Dogs remain dogs. Our universe, our planet, even our DNA are precisely fine-tuned for life. The odds of everything aligning by random chance is statistically impossible. Many argue this points not to blind evolution, but to intentional design. The universe is precisely calibrated for life, with over 100 finely tuned cosmic constants collectively in play. From the Earth's gravity, to the expansion rate of the universe, to the decay rate of protons, everything must be exact. If one condition were off by an infinitesimal degree, the conditions that make life on Earth possible would not exist. Random processes don't create such precision. Design does. Suddenly, about 540 million years ago, dozens of complex animal types suddenly exploded onto the scene. This Cambrian explosion contradicts the gradual change theorized by evolutionists, suggesting something else entirely. Fully formed animals appear in the fossil record with no evolutionary ancestors. That's not gradual change, it's instant appearance. Thoughts, emotions, creativity, guilt, attraction, anticipation, humor, embarrassment. Evolution can't explain consciousness. How did memory, self-awareness, and abstract thought evolve from matter alone? The human mind can compose music, ponder the universe, love and hate. Chemical reactions alone can't account for that. Consciousness cannot be explained by mutations and molecules. The odds of life forming by chance are beyond comprehension. Just one functional protein is a statistical miracle. Life doesn't emerge from math-defying accidents. Even secular scientists admit the odds of complex DNA sequences forming by random mutation are beyond astronomical. One functioning protein, by chance, is already statistically impossible, let alone the millions that make life possible. Evolution requires brand new genetic instructions. Mutations don't create new information. They either damage existing code or rearrange it. But evolution requires brand new genetic instructions to form eyes, wings, and organs. Where does that new information come from? Evolution has no answer. The second law of thermodynamics, entropy, says systems tend toward disorder. They break down, not build up. Systems move toward disorder, yet evolution claims the opposite, that chaos somehow produces complexity. The theory claims the opposite, that life becomes more ordered and complex over time. How can nature violate one of its own fundamental laws? How can scientists violate the scientific method by expecting nature to have acted in a way that has never been observed? Evolution is more than a scientific theory, it's a worldview, and when examined honestly, it's a theory that defies the practice of science itself. Science is a process that leads to conclusions. Conclusions are to be discovered by the evidence revealed through proper scientific methodology. Scientists should never be motivated to force a conclusion they prefer. That would be anything but science. However, when the evidence is examined, or lack of evidence, the theory of evolution appears more as an exercise to make a square peg fit into a round hole, in light of the fact that science has already proven its geometric limitations. Likewise, science has conclusively demonstrated something cannot come from nothing. It has also demonstrated life cannot come from non-life. Science has conclusively demonstrated kinds of life have not and cannot come from other kinds of life, such that pumpkins do not produce kangaroos. It has also shown that numerous complex biological systems must come into existence as complete units to work. Science has conclusively demonstrated that DNA is an extraordinarily complex life code. A single human cell contains 1,000 encyclopedia volumes of data. Adult humans have approximately 3 trillion cells. Where did all of this information come from? What mind coded it? Rocks don't code, neither does billions of years of rocks not coding. Why is a significant part of the scientific community determined to prove a ludicrous theory that science has screamed is impossible? Science said no. Follow the science.